a quarter panel repair all through this area.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona, I do this for real.
Alright, on to the next one. I have a Chevy Avalanche here. This one's getting a fender repair. This is all rolled right down in this area, and it's getting a new headlight and a new bumper cover. So I'm gonna go ahead and repair this fender and get this one over to paint so we can get this one done. So this is looking close. I need to bring out the bottom of this just a little more. Headlights sticking out from it, just a hair. Double check this one more time. Should be looking good though. On to the next one. I have another small repair here, Cadillac. Repair on the liftgate here, right in this area. Gets a new bumper cover, and then it has a little repair on the back panel right here. Another small one, knock out real fast. metal work all done on this one. I'm going to send it over to Eric to finish up the fill work on it, and I'm going to dive into my next one. Alright, on to the next one. I have a Tesla Model 3 here. This one actually has steel quarter panels. The rest of the Teslas are aluminum. But this one is a mixture of steel and aluminum. This one has a quarter panel repair all through this area. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to straighten that out and knock that out.